The new Ultima Frame Zero, designed for the future of oil-free compressed air. Let's hear from the people who made it possible.
Ultima stands for uncompromising efficiency with our unique, direct-driven two-stage air end combined with two independent high-speed permanent magnet motors which exceed even IE5 and IES2 efficiency standards. With a footprint 34% smaller than its predecessor and up to 50% smaller than comparable models on the market, Ultima saves not only energy but also valuable floor space. And it is quiet, really quiet. With a sound pressure level of just 69 dBA, it's ideal for noise-sensitive areas, even right on the production floor.
What makes it special? Direct coupling between air end and motor, no gearbox required. Completely new, fully integrated air ends, designed and manufactured in Germany. Dual drive technology ensures optimal efficiency across the entire operating range. Combined with the new PTFE-free coating, results in even greater energy savings.
Ultima delivers more than just air. It recovers energy. Hot water up to 90 degrees can be reused for process heat, water heating or facility heating. Up to 98% of the input energy can be recovered.
The intuitive Delcos XL SE7 controller provides a real-time overview of compressor performance, remote connectivity and predictive maintenance insights, enhancing uptime and efficiency. Built-in icon connectivity provides proactive service alerts and real-time system monitoring, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous operation.
Ultima features a high-efficient and reliable venting system for the oil circuit. No oil mist, no emissions, no risk. This results in a cleaner work environment for the employees, while reducing oil in the complete compressor package to less than 9 liters.
And as your business grows, Ultima grows with you. On-demand power upgrades eliminate the need for expensive additional compressors or footprint for installation.